Alright, we're inside the Olympic Stadium now, and I'm talking a little bit louder than normal because Simon is blocking the camera. No. Sorry. Because I think the whatever announcement is just going to keep on going, so we might as well just do this video now. Yeah, just take a look around. You'll notice that Chinese people really do like red. Almost all the seats here are red, and you can see all the wires that they used for the opening and closing ceremony up above. There's also like Chinese style Christmas decorations everywhere with like random guards freezing their asses off whilst they're like guarding over the decorations. It's kind of funny really.
That there's a guard that can't move, can't talk, can't sneeze until his shift is over.
He's like one of those Buckingham Palace guards. Poor guy. Look at this stuff. It's really, really cold here, and as you can see, some of us are just jogging up and down to keep warm.
That's our uncle.
That's our Uncle Valiant. He's hilarious. I'm feeling pretty cold myself too.
Yeah, and they got all the Christmas decorations still up along the sides. A big fake Christmas tree that's got no decorations on it except for a star.
Oh, you know what? That Christmas tree, I just realised that it might have been something that they used on one of the opening or closing ceremony bits, where like they had all these people climbing up and then tumbling back down and then climbing up again in their like, you know, fluoro yellow suits. Anyone else remember that scene? I think that's what they used.
Might have been. The tower
Christmas tree now.
Yeah, well, no decorations.